People who go up into space are called astronauts or cosmonauts. People who study are called astronomical. Astronomers. No one knows just how big space is. Not even the very best science. Some scientists think that space might go on forever. A rocket was in blast off. A rocket was into the sky. It wishes.
True. It's
Up
okay.
and up to ground is for below.
It's about blast off. Blast off.
The rocket is now in space.
Don't it your nose.
Got no chin.
Okay, make clear. Okay, don't dip some will be bloody. Okay, continue reading.
This huge ball of firing gas is called a star. No one knows how many stars there are in space. There are too many to count. I can count.
Really?
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We can count.
11.
Yeah, we can count. No one know how many stars there are in space, right? So we can count.
So I can count.
You can count what?
I can count the stars.
You can count the stars. Don't pull the paper.
So our star is a sun. So the sun is 1 star.
The sun is 1 star.
Yeah.
Is it?
1 star.
Oh.
The
Oh, what
moon.
about that? Oh, the moon.
One of the closest things in space to Earth is the moon, a big ball of rock that travels around it in a circle. We only ever see one side of the moon as it goes around Earth. The other looks very different. The other side looks very different. It's called the dark or far side of the moon. It's covered with huge holes called craters.
You see it? Craters.
Why does the moon change shape?
Why does the moon change shape?
The moon is always round. It just looks as if it changes shape as different parts of it are lifted by the sun. The different shapes have names. This is a half moon.
This is a half moon.
This shape is called a crescent. doesn't. And that's the end of the moon. Then why does the moon go around Earth? The moon is held in circular orbit around Earth by Earth's gravity. Gravity pulls small objects to big ones. So it goes round, 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 round a lot of days. 1 billion.
Wow. That's so sad. Right. So that means the moon is not this sphere, right? Right.
Yeah. So Dr. Barnock said.
What Dr. Barnock said?
Kitty said.
What Dr. Barnock said?
I say Kitty.
Oh, Kitty said. What Kitty said?
Mars, 2 moons, Earth, 1 moon, no you. Like that.
I see.
And
That's
Dr.
funny.
Barnock said. So what are you planning to do it? Now Earth, 2 moons, like that.
You
said
see?
Kitty.
That's funny, right?
Yeah. That's
okay.
impossible.
Okay, then continue your reading, okay?